Okay, so for this lab, you're going to create a pendulum. What you want to start with is a piece of kind of thickish string, yarn or something like that will be fine. Even fishing line will work. You just want something that's strong enough that it's not going to break or get tangled up while you're using it. For your actual pendulum, I would recommend some sort of small, heavy object. I use these washers, but something like a fishing weight or a large bolt or something along those lines. You don't want something too big because you'll get a lot of air resistance, and you also don't want something that's really super light because you do want it weighing down the string. For you guys, I recommend using a kitchen cabinet to suspend your washer from. I'm going to show you with mine. What would happen is you would close your string inside the cabinet door, and then the string will hang freely, which is really what you want. So you want that space, and you don't want a lot of anything for the string to kind of rub on. In my case, we're using these clamps. So what I am going to have the students do is pinch them in between these clamps. Just do this with my right hand, so that's tricky. So you can see that, I'll keep this out of the way, so that you can see the string is hanging freely, there's nothing for it to rub on, and the washer holds the string down. The next step is to actually time it. It's really important that you're consistent as far as how far you're pulling the pendulum back. And so I have you guys using a protractor to pull it back exactly 15 degrees. And notice that 15 degrees is a small angle, so it's only 10, 15. It's not all the way up here. So if you use that same angle every time, you'll get fairly consistent results. When you release it, you're going to count how many times it takes one back and forth turn. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you're going to time how long it takes to do those 10 back and forth turns. Once you're done one length, you're going to change the length and repeat the same thing again.